Hi everyone, my name is Megan McGettigan, and my experience with learning research is that in my undergraduate studies I took research methods 1 and 2, and I found these classes both interesting and challenging. I also had a minor in anthropology, and my undergraduate research was with my anthropology professor. This research was a little bit different though. It's not about replicating or measuring, it's more about creating a dialogue or gathering stories. So for example, we interviewed mothers and talked about their experiences of motherhood cross-culturally. And then the second question, what would make learning research fun for you? I'm really not sure what would make research fun per se, but I think I'd be interested if the topic or what we were researching pertained to the groups that I already work with now. And I think that people forget that social work is also a social science. So from this class, I hope I can start a dialogue from people outside the field to understand that what we're doing is research-based and can be research-based. And the final question, after viewing the syllabus, what excites you about the course? So after I scrolled through the syllabus, I saw topics like ethical issues, applying science to social science, and writing research methods and proposals. It might be weird to say, but I really like talking about ethical issues and getting into deeper, more meaningful conversations that can be really challenging because they are really important for our populations. And then I believe the work that I will do after Widener will be evidence-based. I hope to continue this practice. And I am a little bit interested in the research side of social work as well. All right, well, thank you all for listening, and I look forward to watching your videos. Thanks.